for our next board meeting next month.
Next month. Do you know what day? Or not yet?
No.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I tell you what, I will reserve a cabana for you and your board. You just need to call me and tell me what date you want to have it, and I'll make sure we take care of everything for you guys.
Okay.
Can I get you guys some food while you're here too?
Yes, that would be very nice.
Okay, fantastic. All right, well, you just let me know what date, and I'll make sure we reserve it for you. I look forward to you guys coming to the park.
Tell him you will advertise for him on our social media.
We will advertise
Wild Rivers.
Wild Rivers
On our social media.
Oh, thank
on
you.
our
That's
social
very nice of you guys.
on our social media.
That's very nice of you. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate your business.
Thank you. I appreciate your business.
Thank you. I appreciate you too.